Hello, kids. I hope that you all are good and perfect in your home. Myself, Benita Nautiyal, and today I will teach you phonics. Phonics? Are you aware with the word phonics? क्या आप लोग जानते हैं कि phonics होता क्या है? या phonics का आपके स्टडीज में क्या रोल है? Yes. Of these two questions answers I'll give you today. And we will learn the phonic sounds. So let's start our today's class. First of all, I would like to tell you what is phonics. Phonic is a Greek word that comes from the word phone. Phonic एक Greek word है जो हमें word phone से मिला है और phone का मीन्स होता है साउंड। जब हम एक दूसरे से फोन पे बात करते हैं तो हम एक दूसरे को फिजिकली देखते नहीं हैं, हम लोग सिर्फ ऑडियो सुन के और समझ के ही आंसर करते हैं, isn't it? So, in the same way, phonics में भी हम A to Z लेटर्स के साउंड से रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं which is that letter. वो कौन सा लेटर है? Clear? Our next question. What is the role of phonics in your study? Students, if you know the sound of each and every alphabet, if you know the phonics of each and every alphabet, so that it will be easy for you people to make your reading part strong. आपके लिए अपने reading part को strong बनाने में बहुत help मिल सकती है अगर आप लोगों को एक एक alphabet का phonic sound clear है. Okay? As example, I would like to tell you a word is apple. And if you don't know the sound of each and every alphabet in the spelling of apple, you will not be able to read that word. Because how you will read that? A, P, P, L, E, apple. In that way? No. That will not be possible for you people. Because there are so many words, uncountable words in English language. बहुत से words हैं जिन्हें आप अगर by spelling पढ़ने बैठेंगे तो आप नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे. And this is the only reason कि बच्चे scoring अच्छा करते हैं writing part में, but when they comes on the reading part, they become weak. वो lag कर जाते हैं. So, for the same only, phonic chart is the very first step that must be clear in your mind. And we are going to start our phonic chart in our today's class. Take out a notebook and note down with me. We are going to learn phonics. We will start from alphabet A first of all. That is A. And what is the sound of letter A? It is A. A sounds A. Speak with me. A sounds A. A sounds A. B sounds B. B sounds B. B sounds B. C sounds K. C sound K. C sounds K. K. Yes, the joint connection of K and K. C sound K. D sounds D. D sounds D. D sounds D. E sounds A. E sounds A. E sounds A. F sounds F. F sounds F. F sounds F. Next, G sound G. G sound G. H sound H. H sound H. I sounds E. I sounds E. J sound J. J sound J. K sound K. K sound, K. L sound, L. L sound, L. M sound, M. M sound, M. N sound, N. N sound, N. O sound, O. O sound, O. P sound, P. P sound, P. Q sound, Q. Q sound, Q. R sound, R. R sound, R. S sound, S. S sound, S. Not S. Usually, if we will ask to the students, they will say, "Ma'am, S sound, S." But it is not correct. S sound the same like the sound of a snake. S. Yes, S sound S. Only हम अपने मुंह से एक स का साउंड हवा में निकालेंगे. ठीक है? S sound S. T sound T. T sound T. U sound A. U sound A. V sound V. V sound V. W sound V. W sound V. X sound X. The combination of K and S. X sound Kus. Y sound Y. Y sound Y. And at the end we have letter Z. Yes, this is our letter Z, not Z. It's Z says zebra, not Z says zebra. Okay? So, Z sound Z. Z sound Z. Okay. Let's take a quick revision of all the sound. A sound A. B sound B. C sound K. D sound D. E sound A. F sound F. G sound G. H sound H. I sound E. J sound J. K sound K. L sound L. M sound M. N sound N. O sound O. P sound P. Q sound Q. R sound R. S sound S. T sound T. U sound A. V sound V. W sound V. X sound X. And Y sound Y. And last we have Z sound Z. Dear kids, all these alphabets sound must be clear to you. As I told you, this is the very first step of your reading part. If you want to make your reading strong, so you should know all the sounds. Okay? In our next class, I will tell you that how you will join this sound and make a word and sentence also. Okay? So, in our next class, we will meet soon. Meanwhile, you have to take care of yourself and keep on revising all that phonetics. Goodbye.